Hey guys, so I figured hop on today with a little day in my life vlog 2022. It has been pretty crazy around here because the hurricane just came and left. So we got evacuated. We've been in a hotel for a few days because we had to leave. It's like super scary that like the police come and they tell you gotta go. So, because it's not safe, so although some people don't evacuate, the police tell them to evacuate and they don't. So anyway, it's like my neighbor, he's almost 100 years old. He didn't leave. He was like, no, I'm not leaving. So anyway, guys, we left. We were in Orlando and now we're back home. And when we got home, we found out, thankfully we didn't have too much damage, but we had some things happened. The air conditioner went out. We had no air conditioner yesterday. We had no toilet. So yeah, we're home now. We got everything fixed. Thank God. Thank God. And also my husband has a business in Daytona and the building is fine. Thank God. Because, I don't know if you saw on the news, but a lot of the properties and the homes in Daytona got taken away into the ocean. So we're so blessed. And so thank you, Jesus. Now today I'm just gonna run some errands. I gotta take Roxy to get her nails fixed because one of her nails broke. It's so funny. It sounds like she's got acrylics right now, but her nail fell. So anyway, then yeah, we're gonna grab something to eat and then we're gonna go to church later. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so grateful. So anyway, guys, figure out, take along with me, do a little day in my life vlog 2022. So yeah, I'm so happy that everything's okay. This is the little setup that we had to do for Louis until he gets better, so he doesn't, we don't want him to overexert himself. So we made him this little space here. We call it a tiny house. This is his tiny house, just so he doesn't get hurt because he hurt his neck. So we're trying to rehab him, get him back. Look at him. He loves it. Say, I love my tiny house. Usually Lola will go in there with him, or I'll be in there with him. He comes out a lot too, but a lot of times we like him to just take a break and relax in there because otherwise he'll overexert himself. He'll do too much. So anyway, look at our house, guys. This is, I don't know if I've ever really done a tour of my house here. It's like a beach house. We're on the river, but then the beach is like 2 blocks the other way. So we are sandwiched right in between the beach and the ocean. So scary when the hurricane comes. And it's my husband's desk area, and that's our pool. Our pool it was black yesterday, so it's doing good because today it's not black. Let's put it that way. But anyway, yeah, and our deck, we did lose some chairs on our deck, but who cares? The trees, I'm so happy. I'm always worried about the trees. We planted all these trees, so I'll take you outside, but I'm always worried they're gonna get, when the hurricanes come, you don't know if they're gonna get messed up, but no, they stayed perfect. This tree, beautiful, perfect. So I'm so happy. And actually, guys, that's my neighbor's house over there, Frank. This guy he's like 100 years old. He looks like he's 60. He didn't even evacuate, he stayed. He's a badass. And yeah, he's fine now. His house is fine, thank God, because we was really worried about him. He's all alone over there. So he was fine now. And then that's my other neighbor. He just moved in. I feel so bad because he's over there on the deck. But ever since he moved in on the dock, there's been 2 hurricanes. Feels bad for him, but he's doing, it's doing great. He got everything fixed too, so it's good. But he had to get a new roof, so that's not good. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go do our errands now and I'll be back.
Okay. You got ears too? She'll get the stuff. She'll do it right there. We do them out there. She doesn't like that. That's we don't know if they're Is that a puppy?
So we just got Roxy's nails done. They're the best there. They're so patient and they're just so kind and nice. It's so proud mom moment because she did so good. So now I'm just, gonna run some errands. Oh my gosh, guys, I just saw a smoothie place. If I didn't stop and talk to you, I wouldn't even seen it. Acai bowls and smoothies right in front of me. Oh my gosh. So let me go check it out. Oh, it's coming. It's not here yet, guys, but it's gonna be in here. It's gonna be so nice. I'll be here a lot every day. So guys, I'm gonna go get some crepes now for me and my husband for lunch. So this place is so good. They can do like savory or sweet crepes. So good.
Yeah, no feta.
Just got home and I'm gonna just be doing some housework, cleaning the house. You know, with all there's a lot of mud in the house. Let's put it that way. There's a lot. So I got vacuum. I've been vacuuming though constantly, but I have to vacuum again because from the dirt, from the mud and the debris coming into the house. Every time you go outside, it comes in. So, and then probably the dogs are bringing it in. You know, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna go ahead though now and make the bed. I got these new sheets. I'm so happy at Marshall's. So they feel really soft. So I'm really happy about that. And I'll be back.
Sounds like taking a shower outside.
On our way to church now, guys, and then I don't know. I don't think we're gonna. Usually we go out to eat after church, but we haven't even showered or anything. We're just like we haven't slept in days, basically. So yeah, we're probably just gonna go home and watch movies. But anyway, we're on our way to church now, so I'll hop back on when we get out.
The Council of Catholic Women, as you probably have noticed,
I just got home and I went grocery shopping. So I'll show you what I'm making for dinner, guys. I'm making this right here. This is a gluten-free macaroni and cheese. This is so delicious. And it's made with chickpea pasta. So I make that for my husband. He loves it. And then I also mix these chicken nuggets into the macaroni and cheese. They're gluten-free, free from all the allergens, things of that nature. So I make this for him, and then I use plant-based butter for macaroni and cheese, so it's healthier for him. And then let's see, I got some organic grapes. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna have, you guys. I'm not just gonna have rice and beans. I don't know, but these are delicious. Let me show you. These, I love these Amy's meals. They're so good. Maybe I don't know, add a salad, you know. I just decided, you know, are you like me? Like, it just overcomes me, like, the strangest time. I'll just be like, let's dye my hair. Yeah, I figured I just felt so horrible. I haven't had a shower in a few days. You know, I had a shower at the hotel, but I just feel so gross. So I think because I was sweating all night last night because we didn't have any air conditioner. So, and my hair was super frizzy, you know, anyway. So I figured I would dye my hair. So this is the situation right here that we're at. And also today when I was out and about, I picked up these NYX lip glosses. These are new shades that they said, new butter gloss shades. So I'm gonna come and try it. I want to try it right now. Let me try one, right? I'm addicted, you guys. I'm seriously, the other day I actually went to bed with lip gloss on because I just loved the way it looked. I didn't want to take it off. I was like, what could it hurt? Being that it's just on your lips and not your skin, you know, you can't break you out. And I actually went to sleep with lip gloss and lip liner. I'm not gonna lie, I had lip liner on too. This is really nice. They said it's a new formula and it's non-sticky. It feels amazing. I gotta say that NYX Milky Gloss is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's seriously, you know, rivals high-end, better than high-end. So, this is pretty. This one is called Spike Toffee. So, what do you guys think? It has the little indentation. I don't remember it being, I guess it always had that, the little indentation, which I just love. It feels really good. It feels like, I really like when they feel like, you know, they're not coming off your lips right away. They feel like nice, and it's non-sticky though. but it does feel substantial. It feels good on my lips. It just feels really good. So let me see what time it is. I've had this dye on for some time, so I'm probably gonna, okay, let me go take it off right now. Then I'm gonna blow my hair out and I'll pop back on. I just got out of the shower and I'm just using the Foreo. This feels so good. Everything, I feel so good right now, guys, because I was so sweaty and gross. But I cannot wait to blow dry my hair. Also, I gotta show you what I've been using. This Good Behavior. Yeah, these dogs didn't want to let me have a minute to myself. Believe it. They're crazy. And my husband, you know. Life. Okay, here we are in the bathroom. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but wait till I get some sleep, guys. See these circles? I'm not sleeping. Okay, I gotta wash this off. So first I'm just gonna put a few drops of this Gissu oil. I'm almost out of my Orbe oil, but I mean not Orbe. I have the Olaplex oil, but I got a new one. But anyway, I'm just trying to go through different things, mix it up. So I like to put some oil on the ends, like so. And actually my hair feels so dry, I'll put a little bit more. And then I take some of this. This is so good. This is just a total game changer. The last time I used this, my hair stayed so sleek, so straight. I could not believe it. So yeah, okay. Now I'm just going to really quickly just comb it all through, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. So we'll see how it goes, guys. But I just use this and it comes out really sleek and things of that nature, and it stays. That's what's crazy, is that it stays for days. And like I said, I was exercising prior to the hurricane. I was going running every day, and my hair was staying super sleek even with the humidity and everything. And even like I would put it up when I would take a shower and it would stay perfect. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back and freshly blow dried. What do you guys think? Shiny, shiny, shiny. I feel good. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my pajamas, do a little more skincare, and I will end the vlog for today. Fresh and clean. Oh, where's Roxy? She's locked out. Look at this cute cup I got. I just love this cup. My little teacup. And it says, "The strength to shine." I think that's such a great message, because it really does take strength to let your light shine, you know? So anyway, have a little tea. And that's actually decaf tea, so don't worry. I will be going to sleep soon. So anyway guys, thank you for spending the day with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.